Just want to say hi to everybody. Good to see you. You're in Malia?
Thanks for
I just met the president. It was a huge surprise. We were there in the green room taking pictures, and there was this buzz in the room that something big was beyond the door.
And the president and the first lady and Beau were waiting to talk to us, which was incredible. It was really special.
I was making a joke outside, but I was kind of sincere. I said, you know, the first lady, she's going to come up with a cup of hot chocolate and she's going to say hello to us. And my friend was like, no, it's on there. Then you're not going to get a chance to meet him. And I said, I just want to put that out there in the universe. And I could not believe it. I'm just sitting here and the dog is running through. It was an honor.
Good to see you. I think Bo thinks your coat might be alive. That's not alive, Bo. Sit. There you go.
It was a very cold day out there, and many times I was like, I should just turn around and just go, and I'll just come another time. And I'm so happy I did it. And it's amazing. Oh my goodness.
It's my first time in the White House, and he gave me a hug. And I just forgot what's going on.
To meet the First Lady, meet the President and Beau at the same time. This is January, and I can say that this is a great year.